Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13193 Class 3 trailer hitch on a 2020 Ford Transit. For better visibility, we have removed the spare tire, but this step is not required for the hitch installation. Start by cleaning the frame bolt locations as needed with lubricant and wire brush. The bolts used to install this hitch are self-tapping and will cut the threads into the mounting locations. To make this process easier, you can prepare the mounting locations using an M12 1.75 tap. This tapping step is optional and makes the process easier, but the hitch can be installed without the use of a tap. Temporarily install the self-tapping bolts into the mounting locations to cut the threads into the surface. Insert a 1/2-inch bolt and spacer into each frame rail. You may be able to reach the mounting location as shown, but if needed, you can use the provided fish wire tool to help guide the bolt into location. With help, lift the hitch into position, being careful not to push the prepared bolts back into the frame, and secure the hitch with the provided 1/2-inch hex nuts. Install the remaining M12 hardware into the previously prepared bolt locations. Lastly, torque all of the hardware to the torque values specified in the included instructions. This completes the installation of the CURT 13193 Class 3 trailer hitch on a 2020 Ford Transit. Make sure to install the custom vehicle-to-trailer wiring harness to complete your towing preparation. Thanks for watching this video, and tow safely with your new hitch from the towing experts at CURT.